The OnePlus 12 is set for announcement for the Chinese market on December 5. However, it is gearing up for a global launch on January 24. The excitement surrounding the flagship is palpable, with OnePlus initiating an extensive global marketing campaign to build anticipation. The company recently unveiled a teaser page that provides a sneak peek into the OnePlus 12's design through a short video. This strategic move is part of OnePlus's efforts to engage a global audience and create buzz around the upcoming device. As part of the marketing campaign, OnePlus has rolled out support pages for key regions. These regions include Europe, the US, and India. These pages offer insights into the campaign timeline. It indicates that the marketing activities will unfold between November 27 and January 23. Notably, the OnePlus India page specifies that January 23 is the day before the OnePlus 12 launch event. This suggests that the global launch event is scheduled for January 24, making it a highly anticipated date for OnePlus enthusiasts worldwide. To involve users in the excitement leading up to the OnePlus 12 launch, the company has devised an engaging strategy. OnePlus will be hosting giveaways for the upcoming flagship across its regional branches. The only requirement for users to participate in these giveaways is to subscribe to the OnePlus 12 launch page. All they need is a valid email address. This approach builds a sense of community around the OnePlus brand. It also ensures that potential users stay informed about the latest updates and announcements related to the OnePlus 12. With the global launch of the OnePlus 12 set for January 24, the marketing campaign serves as a prelude to what promises to be an exciting event in the world of smartphones. OnePlus enthusiasts can look forward to a blend of cutting-edge technology, innovative features, and a design that reflects the brand's commitment to delivering premium devices to its global user base. As the campaign unfolds, OnePlus continues to create a buzz, solidifying its position as a key player in the highly competitive smartphone market. Given the extensive marketing campaign and the anticipation building around the OnePlus 12, what specific features or innovations do you hope to see in the new flagship device, and how do you think it will impact OnePlus's position in the smartphone market? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.